Hello friends and welcome back to the channel and episode 2 of the U.S. GATO Class Submarine build from Revell. Again, this is a 172 scale submarine and it is big. This is just part of the hull that you can see right here. If you missed the last episode, somewhere on the screen here I'll put a link to the previous episode and also to the playlist. I think I can do that. I'm going to have a playlist of all the episodes from the intros through all the episodes because this is a big kit. It's going to take a while and just want to take my time on it. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I really appreciate you guys and thanks for tuning in and supporting the channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this content, and if you wouldn't mind, if you could click that subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Alright, so just quick update from where we left off last time. I have the bilge keels installed on both sides of the hull. I have all of the assembly pins glued in and they've sat for a day or so, so I know they're nice and dry. So I'm going to pick up right here with the rear and front bulkheads. We're going to install those into the hull and then we're going to assemble both sides of the hull. On the previous episode, I also built my stand. That's in paint right now and drying. And then if I have time in this episode, I'm going to start with the bow assembly. Okay, one thing that I didn't mention before, because I wasn't sure which one I was going to do, but I believe I am going to build this one as the u.s.s. Silversides, which is actually a museum piece. It's in Michigan, and it's still there, and it's a very highly decorated submarine. And what I'm going to do is in some of the future episodes, I'll pull some information from it and get some more details about, its service and all that. But definitely someplace I want to go see one of these days and definitely visit it in person. So that's the version of the sub I'm going to be building. So let's go ahead and get into this, and not sure how much I'm going to get done in this episode yet, but we're just going to get going and see where we end up. All right, so again, just to show scale, here's my hand. I mean, this thing is huge, which is really cool. All right, so let's keep going on this. Okay, so similar to how we did the hull, we have these alignment pins that are going to go in these holes here and be glued in, and that's going to line up everything when we put these two halves together. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all these in now so they can dry and get really nice and solid. And then the anchor, they're also telling me to install the anchor, but I'm going to do that at a later date because the anchor will be painted differently. Also, we have the top forward vent cap and the bottom forward vent cap assembly here. I kind of want to paint those because they'll be on the inside. So I'm going to not assemble all this just yet. I'm going to put in the pins for now and then get these ready to paint. I may go ahead and maybe prime the inside of this. I'm not sure what all is going to show through yet. So I'm going to try to figure that out and then we'll go from there. Okay, so quick update. So I went ahead and sprayed some black primer in here just to kind of black everything out, because again, I'm not sure what you'll be able to see. I did black out inside these parts here also, and around here where the controls for the planes are going to come through. So that's that. These are ready to go together, but I haven't assembled them together yet. I'm going to try to work on this seam a little bit before I actually glue it. On the hull has been glued together, and I have been working on this seam. It's not too bad. It's just going to take a little finagling to get it where I want. Fortunately for this top part, it doesn't need a whole lot of work because this entire part's going to be covered by other parts. So that's kind of cool. Also, I got my base painted a nice glossy black. So I've got that done. So we've got a place to set the hull now. And it's coming along good. So I think my next steps will be to finish this part off and get it glued together, get the seams taken care of, and then probably get the aft section built next. That way I can start priming the hull completely and then starting to get some paint on the hull. This one I'll have to mask off for the gray on top and the dark gray on the bottom, and then install my planes here. But yeah, so it's coming along really good. And again, this is just going to take me some time because I want to take my time on this and have it turn out really nice. So I appreciate you guys watching, and thanks so much for all of your support. I got a lot of positive comments on this project, so thank you very much. If you like this, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you hit the bell, you'll get a notification when I upload the next episode. So I will see you guys in episode 3, and until then, everyone just be safe out there and go build something.